Welcome back to my channel, your trusted destination for luxury car reviews, detailed specifications, and expert insights into the world of motorhomes. Today we are inside the Mercedes showroom, and the spotlight is on one of the most highly anticipated launches of the year, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it is a rolling palace, a true Maybach creation that blends prestige, power, and comfort into a single masterpiece. The first impression under the bright showroom lights is breathtaking. At the front, the iconic Maybach chrome grille dominates the face of the motorhome, flanked by sleek digital LED headlamps that radiate a futuristic glow. The sculpted bumper, chrome accents, and aerodynamic bodywork showcase Maybach's dedication to elegance. Standing tall and commanding attention, this motorhome looks more like a luxury yacht on wheels than a traditional RV. From the side, the design continues to impress. The smooth, flowing body lines create a sense of motion, even when standing still. Large panoramic windows stretch along the sides, allowing light to flood the interior and offering passengers sweeping views of the outside world. The 23-inch alloy wheels, each bearing the Maybach insignia, add a touch of grandeur. Integrated retractable steps glide out silently, welcoming you with effortless grace. Every exterior detail, from the two-tone paint finish to the chrome trim, reflects craftsmanship at the highest level. At the rear, bold LED taillights with a distinctive Maybach signature illuminate with precision, while the sculpted rear design emphasizes both strength and sophistication. Underneath the polished exterior lies engineering brilliance. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 system paired with advanced electric motors, producing over 700 horsepower. Despite its size, it accelerates with authority, delivering smooth and confident performance. The adaptive all-wheel drive system ensures stability, while Maybach's Magic Carpet air suspension makes the ride unbelievably smooth. Whether cruising through city streets or gliding along highways, this motorhome feels effortless. Stepping inside reveals a world of unmatched luxury. The lounge greets you with hand-stitched Napa leather seating, walnut wood veneers, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting. A massive OLED display takes center stage, paired with a Burmester 3D surround sound system that transforms the space into a private cinema. This is not just a motorhome interior, it's a first-class suite on wheels. The kitchen is compact yet sophisticated, featuring an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, built-in espresso machine, and elegant stone countertops. Every appliance is part of the integrated smart system, controlled by voice or touchscreen. Behind it, the master bedroom offers a full queen-size bed with premium bedding, panoramic windows with automatic blinds, and cleverly hidden storage compartments. It feels like waking up in a luxury hotel suite, only with a new view every morning. The bathroom rivals that of a five-star spa. Finished with marble effect walls, a rainfall shower, a heated mirror, and adjustable lighting, it provides a refreshing experience that no traditional RV can match. At the front, the cockpit showcases Mercedes innovation at its finest. Two large digital screens stretch across the dashboard, providing navigation, entertainment, and real-time diagnostics. An AI-based assistant manages climate, energy, and routes, while built-in 5 grams connectivity and satellite internet keep you online anywhere in the world. Wrapped in luxury, the Maybach steering wheel reminds you that this is no ordinary motorhome. It is a command center. Safety remains a top priority, with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, fire and gas sensors, and driver fatigue detection. Whether on the move or parked overnight, peace of mind is guaranteed. On the road, the experience is unlike anything else. The cabin is whisper quiet, the suspension absorbs every bump, and the hybrid system allows for silent electric driving in cities. Long journeys become as comfortable as staying in a luxury apartment. Of course, exclusivity comes with a price. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome starts at around $1.4 million, with fully customized versions reaching over $2 million. But what you're buying is not just transportation, It is a lifestyle, a statement, and a home that moves with you in ultimate luxury. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome isn't simply about reaching your destination. It's about enjoying every mile of the journey with elegance, technology, and comfort at the highest level. From the showroom floor to the open road, it represents the future of luxury travel. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more insights on luxury cars, motorhomes, and automotive innovations.